SoHo's double-ended markers are a great tool that every artist can bring into their studio. They come in a convenient 3-pack so that you can load your studio or backpack wherever you're going and take your art supplies with you. They're fade resistant, so they're good inside or outside. They're water resistant, and they make a really nice dark rich line, which I'll show you. There are 2 separate nibs. One is a chisel nib, and the chisel nib will give you different line weights depending on how you hold it. And just, you can see how richly the color flows. And with those chisels, if you have it in an angle, you can get something in between. And the other nib is called a bullet style nib. And it's not a super sharp point. It's more like, well, I guess the tip of a bullet. And it will give you another line weight that you can use, consistent line depending on how steady you hold your hand. Also, another great feature about these is that they dry super quickly, so they will not smudge on you. In fact, right away you can see that these are dry lines. In fact, it's water resistant when dry, so the ultimate test, so let's get some water on here, and you can see that the black lines are not being picked up. They're an alcohol-based marker, very juicy marker, and a great inexpensive tool to add to your arsenal.